Grow vegetables. Grandma likes to grow vegetables in her garden. Cook vegetables. Mom will cook vegetables for dinner tonight. Steam vegetables. Dad knows how to steam vegetables to keep them healthy. Overcook the vegetables. Be careful not to overcook the vegetables. They won't taste good. Store vegetables. We store vegetables in the refrigerator to keep them fresh.
Like, subscribe, and share.
Fresh vegetables. The market sells fresh vegetables every day. Frozen vegetables. We keep some frozen vegetables in the freezer for convenience. Green vegetables. Spinach and broccoli are green vegetables, organically grown vegetables. Some people prefer organically grown vegetables for a healthier choice.
Like, subscribe, and share.